Well, I'm Jiaming, and today I will show you a Computer Science 137 project. It's about how to explore to U2Net for salient object detection. And I will show you my project from three aspects. The first is what is U2Net. The second is the work I have done on my project. And the last, I will show the results and outputs of my model. So to begin with, I will introduce the salient object detection, SOD. It aims at segmenting the most visually attractive objects in an image. It is to highlight the salient object area in the image and has a wide range of applications, such as object tracking, image redirection, image segmentation, object detection, and etc. It's also widely used various fields, and U2Net is a concise and efficient salient object detection framework based on encoder-decoder. It contains two levels of nested unit structure and consists of a six-stage encoder, a five-stage decoder, and a Salient fusion module attacked with decoder stage and the last encoder stage. Here is the detailed structure of U2Net, and the left figure is about the RSU block it proposes. RSU block is based on the original residue block, and the main design difference between two blocks is RSU replaced the plain single stream convolution with a U-Net structure, and it replaced the original feature with the local feature transformed by a weight layer. So in this way, multi-scale features can be extracted within each residue. And the advantages of the U2Net are that it proposes this RSU model and integrates the characteristics of different sizes of receiving fields to capture more contextual information of different scales. In addition, the pooling operation based on RSU model increased the depth of entire network without significantly increasing the computation compute, computation cost. The design of the Usenet allows a deep architecture with rich multi-scale features and relatively low computing and memory cost. It's because the structure is only built on the RSU block, so it doesn't use any feature classification pre-trained network, which means it's more flexible and can adapt to different working environments with little performance loss. And uh, there are five talks in total about my work, and I have succeeded in four of them. The first task is learn and master Usenet network structure, the supervision strategy, and the loss function. The second task is use Usenet to segment salient targets. The third task is use Usenet to output portraits of corresponding input images. And the last task is translate the original PyTorch architecture into a TensorFlow architecture. These four tasks I all succeeded but failed in the last task. It's about to redesign and promote the structure to get a better performance. But I failed in this one because it cost more than 120 hours to train once to get a trained model. So and it spent too much time to compile and tune the model parameter or the structure. So I failed in this task. And next, I will show you the succeeded part. The left four pictures are the input images, and the right is the output images. The results show the model can get the mask and segment the salient targets while including the details of ages. And the next picture is about um, the left four pictures is also the input images, and the right four portraits is the output of the model. So it shows the model can generate portraits while including the details of hair, and the style of portraits is based on AP drawing GAN dataset. So if you want to change the style of the portraits its output, you can change the training dataset of different styles. And at last, I will show you uh, the training model on DOTS DOTS training set. It shows how the model learn to mask an image that is never seen. It takes about 1 hour to get noticeable results, but if you want to use it for testing, you should train for several hours. So we can see when the epoch equal to 300, we can get a roughly mask, and when the epoch equal to the 500, the mask is more clear but not robust. And when the approach comes to 1200, we can get a more robust mask. And after 2000 approach, the mask not change much. So that's all my project, and thanks for your time for watching.